True or false? Regular maintenance isn't important.
False. When we talk about your maintenance, we're talking about your oil, your tires, and your brakes. So talking about oil, obviously if you ain't doing it like you regularly should, short term there's not going to be any damage to the engine, but long term things could happen. It could be expensive. So when it comes to your tires, if you have like ball tires and it's raining, you could hydroplane into something, which will be an accident. So and we're talking about your brakes. So we're just about gone. You're going to be looking at more things you're going to need to replace. So keeping up with them when we say, hey, you're getting low, you might want to look at them. We're just telling you so you don't go cause an accident in the future. We're talking about that. It's just not a lot of people who buy their new cars, they're not really thinking of the effects it could do to your car. Like we said, in the long run, it will do a lot of stuff to your engine to prevent that from happening for you guys.